Marie Curie, pioneer in the world of science. Introduction. Marie Curie is one of the most prominent scientists in history, who paved the way for future generations of scientists with her remarkable achievements in the field of physics and chemistry. Her life story, from childhood in Poland to becoming the first woman to win the Nobel Prize, is full of challenges, hardships and unparalleled successes. First chapter, Childhood and Early Education. Marie Curie was born Maria Sklodowska on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw, the capital of Poland. His family was from the middle class and educated. His father, Vladislav, was a physics and mathematics teacher, and his mother, Brunsawa, was the headmistress of a girls' school. Since childhood, Maria had a strong interest in learning and was very successful in school. However, the political conditions of Poland, which was occupied by Russia, limited the education of girls. Chapter 2, Migration to Paris. Maria immigrated to Paris, France to continue her education and enrolled at Sorbonne University in 1891. In Paris, she changed her name to Marie. With a lot of effort and perseverance, Marie was able to get a degree in physics and mathematics and was recognized as one of the top students. Chapter 3, Getting to know Pierre Curie. Indiana, 1894, Marie met Pierre Curie, a prominent French physicist. This acquaintance led to their marriage in 1895. These two scientists quickly became work and life partners. Pierre Curie provided his laboratory equipment to Marie and she was able to start her research in the field of radioactive rays. Chapter 4, Discovery of Radium and Polonium. Marie and Pierre Curie discovered two new elements called radium and polonium in 1898. These discoveries attracted worldwide attention, and Marie and Pierre were quickly recognized as eminent scientists. In 1903, Marie and Pierre Curie together with Henri Becquerel received the Nobel Prize in Physics for their research on radioactivity. Marie was the first woman to receive this award. Chapter 5, The Death of the Old Man and the Continuation of the Investigation. In 1906, Pierre Curie died in an accident. The loss was very heavy for Marie, but she decided to continue her research. As the first woman, she won a physics professorship at the Sorbonne University and continued teaching and researching. In 1911, Marie Curie was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the discovery of radium and the determination of its atomic weight. He was the first person to receive two Nobel Prizes in two different fields. Chapter 6, World War I and Human Activities. During World War I, Marie Curie used her knowledge in the field of radiology to equip hospitals and train nurses in the use of X-rays to diagnose and treat the war wounded. Along with his daughter, Irene, he went to the battlefields in cars equipped with X-ray machines and rendered valuable service. Chapter 7, Final Years and Legacy. After the war, Marie Curie continued her scientific activities and established various research institutes. He died in 1934 from an illness related to radioactive radiation. But his legacy lives on. His two daughters, Irene and Eve, also continued in his footsteps, and Irene even received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry.